Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul KHAIRUNNISA Nadia binti Muhammad AZAD. My card match number A19A1115. Today I want to present about the background. The company background of Fekas Perak Berhad Participant Cooperative is based on the merger of Fekas Perak 1, 2 and 16 in 1984. Fekas Perak Berhad Participant Cooperative was proposed in June 1985 and the sponsor meeting took place on September 25, 1985. On January 4, 1986, Fekas Perak Berhad Participant Cooperative was officially registered with registration number 5884/1/201/PK. The company motto is efficient, quality and profitable. The slogan of the cooperative company is to jointly develop an excellent, glorious and distinguished cooperative. The Fekas Perak Berhad Plan Participant Cooperative Management is divided into 4 sections, namely the Administrative and Financial Manager Department, the Agriculture Project Manager Department, the Technical and Real Estate Manager Department, and the Trade Manager Department. The main objective of the Fekas Perak Berhad Plan Participant Cooperative is to integrate and combine the social and economic element owned by Fekas participant to achieve global development goal in terms of physical and spiritual. Organization chart. The organizational management chart in the business development and trading department. The manager of this section is Mr. Muhammad Faizal bin Ahmad Nur Rahmah. He was also my supervisor throughout my training in this industry. Next, Executive 01, Mr. Muhammad Zul Arif bin Zainul. Next, the senior trading supervisor is Mr. Muhammad Khairi bin Yusuf. Next, under the senior trading supervisor, it is divided into 3 sections, namely co-omat, co-op outwear, and agriculture input content or tools. Therefore, I underwent industrial training in the trading department of co-omat and was guided by Mr. Faizal and Mr. Zurita. Scope of exposure to student. The first scope exposure to student is to be able to learn real business management. This is because with this industry training, the scope of work can be explained to student in manage the business in more detail and experience real work. For example, practical student can learn how to receive goods from supplier and take a barcode of received product to be included in co-omat supermarket sale data. Next, with this, student can practice the actual way of business management. Therefore, by undergoing this industry training, can expose students to a wider range of business management. The second scope of exposure to student is to be able to learn how to use and manage cooperative store. This is because industrial training students are giving exposure in manage a cooperative store by teaching the use of payment machine, how to proper average good, and so on. For example, exposure to this use and management is to teach students how to use the cashier machine to receive payment from customer and always ensure that the supermarket is well organized. Therefore, in this way can expose practical students more readily about the use and management of business. The third scope of exposure to students is the exposure of the working method of acceptance and observation of said item at the co-omat supermarket. This is because students are shown how to receive goods from supplier, to take a barcode and check all the products that have been sent by them. In addition, students also taught to be alert which product for sale they are always in good condition and have not expired. Contribution to the company. The first contribution to the company was that I followed the Rahmah Raya sale program at the Koomat supermarket. This is because the cooperative hold a Rahmah Raya sale program at the Koomat supermarket by selling the kitchen items such as rice, Milo, ketupat, cordial and others. Therefore, the Rahmah Raya price offered to customer at a reasonable price for Koomat customer. Then, my contribution to the cooperative company is to follow the Rahmah Raya sale program on 18 to 20 April 2023 at the Koomat supermarket by doing the assigned tasks such as packing the sales sheet and giving purchase item to customer according to the conditions set by the Koomat supermarket. The second contribution to the company is to perform the assigned task well. This is because every time we are giving a task, we will perform it well and on time in order to help the company manage the business in an orderly manner. In addition, the diligent attitude of helping, packaging and arrange the sale item on the shelf of the Koomat supermarket can provide an orderly business environment and convenient and to regular customer of Koomat to shop. Suggestion for improvement. The first suggestion for improvement in business is to increase the recruitment of male workforce. This is because the lack of male labor make business management operation difficult. In addition, it will cause the management of business operation to be disputed to manage something in a certain time. For example, manage the entry of goods in supermarket store to arrange on the sales sheet will cause difficult when there is a lack of male labor. Therefore, by increase the hiring of male employees will facilitate more efficient and effective business management. The second suggestion for improvement in this business is to improve the convenience of facilitated at the workplace. By improve the facilities at the workplace can ensure a good work environment for the job. For example, increase the number of fan used in cooperative store. Besides that, this can ensure a comfortable working on environment for employers. Therefore, by improve the facilities at the workplace can provide a harmonious working environment at the workplace. The third suggestion for improvement in business is to improve business marketing. This is because by improve business marketing, it can attract the attention of customer to shop at Koomat supermarket. For example, holding a sale promotion day at the Koomat supermarket. This can attract customer to visit Koomat supermarket. Therefore, by increase business market can attract customer to buy at a Koomat supermarket. Task implementation challenge. The first task implementation challenge is the difficult scope of work at the workplace. This is due to the variety of tasks performed at work, including lifting and sorting goods for Koomat supermarket sale. In addition, the scope of the work done is to review the barcode of the product sold in the store so that the sale information can be entered into the store sale data. Therefore, the difficult scope of work assignment become a challenge in performing work assignment. The second task implementation challenge is dealing with customer. This because there are variety of customer buy at the Koomat supermarket cooperative. In addition, there are also a few customer who do not understand and comply with the rules set by Koomat supermarket. Therefore, dealing with customer is a challenge in performing job duties. The third task implementation is non-cooperative in teamwork to complete the given task. As such, the attitude become a challenge for employees to carry out the duties fairly and equitable. Therefore, non-cooperative attitude in doing tasks become a challenge for employees to do daily work tasks as a team. Add value in student knowledge. The first add value in student knowledge is being able to cultivate good work ethic and rule for students. This is because a good ethic and rules shown by employees can be mentors to students to be the best, such as helping each other, punctuality, and other in student. Therefore, the good ethic and rules can produce an individual who excellent at work. The second add value in the student knowledge is being able to expose students to the real world of work. This is because internship can provide yearly exposure to students to deal with work assignment that will go through in the world of work. In addition, students can gain knowledge in carry out tasks more clearly. Therefore, students can increase the knowledge by undergoing industrial training. The third added value in student knowledge is being able to learn something new. There is student can learn business management in more detail, and is also that student can experience the work itself. In addition, student can learn how to manage a commerce market and can see the deal business management with its supplier and customer. Thank you.